morning, YouTubies. How's it going? Alright, today I'm having Rob's Backstage Rings. It says burning up spicy puff rings. Hope this is not too spicy. I didn't notice that part until just now. I might be in a world of hurt here in a minute. How you guys doing? Good, I hope. It's hot, this place is. Actually, not as hot as it has been. It's still pretty hot. You can smell the hot sauce. It almost smells like pork skins too. Ooh, this one's pretty well covered with the hot stuff. Oh my God. Oh yeah, it's got the heat. Of course, I didn't bring anything to drink. I got a cup from McDonald's. I actually have to go in and rinse it out and put some cold water in it. Oh my God. It was only from one little tiny mousy bite. Okay, let's bite the bullet and just get her done. Hold that thought. I'm gonna go and get some water first. I'm a wimp when it comes to heat. All right, be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got me some water, which it needs to be milk, to be honest. One little tiny bite has already got my nose trying to run. Like, one thing I hate about anytime I eat spicy food, my nose starts running. It's like so annoying. Okay, there we go. I like them in one way. I think. I don't know. I don't know for sure on that idea yet. I didn't say I don't. It'd probably be better with a sandwich, of course, or something. Or milk. Oh. Oh, there's no indicator of the heat level. Didn't know they were going to be spicy. Now I have no idea who Rob is. Robbing me of my taste buds. Okay, right there it says that my tongue. Okay, up here it says Rob's Backstage Rings. But then down here it says by Jonas Brothers. So there you go. Made with avocado oil, gluten-free, 50 calories per cup. Heck, you're probably burning those 50 calories just by eating them. Spiciness. Non-GMO. Spicy as hell. Pardon my French, but it's true. It has a phone number on there that says, call us. 201 335 0959. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Hey, the person's been wanting hiccups, for me to do hiccups for a video. There's one hiccup. I don't know if I can get any else more of them to come out, but there's one. He's been wanting hiccups from me, so I've been trying my hardest to do a hiccup video, but I can't just spontaneously hiccup like some people can. If it was or not. Nope, guess not. Must be something else buzzing. I may not be getting very far in these. I wouldn't expect them to be spicy like this. Lesson learned. Okay, maybe not. I probably won't learn my lesson. I never do. When I'm at the store, when I see something I've not tried before, I just spontaneously grab it and put it in the cart without reading. I think I need to learn to read before I into the cart. I know I won't. I killing my taste buds. Rob, you could put a little bit less of this hot stuff on it. Jeez. Ay. It's spicy hot. First thing is, there's nobody in the house to pawn these off onto. I want to get sweets. Dad loves sweets and he's not diabetic. I can pawn stuff onto him. Anthony doesn't eat sweets as much as he used to, so I can give him some, but him and I don't eat hardly any sweets at all anymore. But this is spicy. I know Anthony won't eat it. I know Dad won't eat it, and I can't give it to the dog. Well, I know the dog won't eat it. Jax. I need to get out of the habit of calling him the dog, because he's family. He has a name. Jax. Every once in a while I do that. He's like, no, I need to change that. He's family. Oh my goodness. I need to drink more water, but this is not how I intended to do it. I said at first that they smell like a pork skin like thing. I don't think they're actual pork skins. I think they're more like Funyuns without the Funyun flavor stuff on it. Instead, they got the spicy stuff on it. They're spicy, all right. Okay, I think I'm done with these for now. Oh. Ketchup packet. Get rid of that taste. Get rid of the heat. Okay. Good enough. That helped a little bit. My nose is running. Okay. Now that I'm starting to try to recover, okay. I think I'm gonna get ready to scoop. Let me know if you guys have tried these. What do you think of them? You think they're spicy? Too spicy? I think I actually like the Takis better than these. It's like a different spice. I think it says what kind of excuse me, spice in it. Hang on here. Okay. Ingredients are cornmeal, avocado oil, rice meal, salt, whey powder, corn maltodextrin, sugar, spice, buttermilk powder, cheddar cheese powder. Didn't taste any of that. Cultured milk, salt, enzymes, garlic powder, onion powder, yeast extract, natural flavor, vinegar powder. Didn't know there was such a thing as vinegar powder. Sunflower oil, hot sauce, I think. Which in the parentheses it says aged cayenne, red peppers, vinegar, salt, and garlic. I believe it on the cayenne and the red peppers. And then at the very end it says red radish juice for color. So 110 calories for 1 ounce, whatever 1 ounce would be. It says it's 4 servings per container, which I believe it because I guess you say chips, whatever they are. Yeah, chips. Only go up to here. Half a bag of stuff. Anywho, I'm going to scoop. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Let me know if you're going to try it. Let me know what you think. I'm going to have to go maybe down to Aldi's and get some milk. All right. I'm going to catch you guys again later. Bye-bye.